Hey guys, welcome back.
Hi. Episode 3, which means pottery.
I like that.
Thank
I
you.
like that.
Thanks for joining us for episode 3.
Episode 3. What happened to episode 2?
Episode 2 was this lovely cherry bar, which I guess you guys probably, hopefully, just watched the video of. Right, shall I get the terracotta pots in, or?
Are we doing terracotta pots?
I thought that was part 3.
We haven't even done part 2 yet.
It's in your angle, part 2.
Really? What are we doing today?
We are going to be cutting these horrible, dirty terracotta pots.
Yeah.
And we are going to be reducing them probably about 60% to make them fit these lovely bonsai training dishes. Plum, 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 plum. Before I get into the best part of episode 3, I want to just go back and recap episode 2 with this lovely cherry bar and the subreddit woodworking. Lovely kind words all around, 50 likes. And we're doing a giveaway, guys. Giveaway! 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 This could be yours! Dun, 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 dun.
Damn, that's generous.
And 50 likes, come on, that's like an hour, you know?
Damn.
And I'll chuck in 8 candles.
Damn! 8 candles? Joking. If you're enjoying what you're watching, I hope it goes without saying, please subscribe and like our content, you know.
Because then we know what you guys want to see. If you like that, I'll carry on doing stuff like that. If you like this video, what we're about to do with terracotta pots, then we know you like us just clowning around. So
this was one of the first things we actually started recording, wasn't it?
yeah.
The shrimp shop demo, essentially.
We might have little snippets of footage which don't link to
Highlights of how we got here before we go there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know what that means, guys?
Montage!
Yeah, she's a bit wonky.
Why put that on and you just leave the visor on?
No, I'm going to put it down, yeah, it's only a pencil.
Oh.
No, it's not like that at all. Thank God I've done it with that.
My God, it flattened the bit.
What happened?
How many tools can one terracotta pot break?
No.
So far 2.
The distance is getting small.
This number 3. One more, Will.
Go for broke.
Vote for broke.
I got oil for days. Got oil for days. I'll just quickly flat that so you don't cut yourself there, boy.
Wow, that's... Man, that's like a kind of glassy finish.
I think we're going to sit down, do some sketches, maybe of what we want.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll show everything in this really sped up footage now. Yeah, we're going to safety gear up, dust mask up, because terracotta dust, don't breathe this.
Midnight at dawn is what you feel is made in. Da ba da 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 da.
We are back, we're back. Did you enjoy the montage? We certainly did.
We did, but we didn't at the same time. Due to the fact that I dropped my phone, we lost all the footage. I lost every photo for the last 4 years as well.
Cal, I think you've smashed it out the park with this, to be honest. These are looking incredible.
Yeah.
You're not happy with how it turned out? I know
We've had some no, breaking my balls. Episode 3 was good, on to episode 4.
What are you going to do?
I don't know yet. Like this video, need 50 likes and I'm going to be giving this lovely piece away.
I say it's a tea light holder, but Those kiddies are massive.
McDaddy, along with 8 candles, and I'll do it special delivery. So I know it gets there. I'll be very upset if it didn't.
No, hang about special delivery.
Yeah.
What, you personally going? What happens if it's somewhere
No,
like
not that.
Thailand?
No,
or
not
somewhere?
that. I mean like sign delivery.
Okay. We're not. Callum's not hand delivering this to you.
Unless you live close.
Unless you live close.
I'll come and give it to you. Please smash that like button to win this candle.
I guess that's it. That's it. We'll just do a random cut somewhere about.
No? What about now?